Join me, friends. We're going to make a pillow out of this placemat, and we're going to use this new Aleene's Fabric Fusion. Hey, everybody. It's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is make some pom-poms. And I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom if you haven't seen before. Dollar Tree has pom-pom makers, or they have them on Amazon. So basically, you're going to open it wide up so each side has a half circle, 2 half circles, right? And you're going to wrap your yarn around until that half moon thing in the center is kind of filled. Does that make sense? Yeah. So you're going to do that on both sides, wrap, wrap, wrap. Then you're going to release the end, and then you're going to cut a longer string. I do mine like 12 inches long because I don't want to have it show up not be enough, right? So then you cut in that well, and now you're going to use that piece of string that you cut earlier. You're going to put that in the center, and you're going to double knot it. I double knot mine. Tie it however you want, but I think a double knot's best. Double knot it, and then you're going to then pull those half circles that you did. You're going to pull them apart. There's just easy peasy, right? You're just going to pull those both sides. Ta-da! And now here's the part that they don't show you on the directions. You have to pull the whole thing apart, right? There it is. And pretty good pom-pom. You have to trim it a little bit, and hopefully you don't get into the bad, trim it. Oh, I got to trim it more. And then, yeah, fine. Anyways, I didn't do that size pom-pom for this. But anyways, I use a seam ripper, and this is a Dollar Tree placemat, and I opened up one side. And I'm going to take my pom-pom and use one of the ends. And I'm going to use an embroidery needle, and I'm going to pull one of the ends through one side of the corner and then do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to tie it in a knot several times. I tied it like 5 times just to make sure it's on there and it's not going to go anywhere, because what we're doing here is it's going to be washable if we want to. So ta-da, cute. Look at it. And we do that on all 4 corners, right? Now we're going to stuff our pillow, and I'm just using fiber fill. You could use whatever you wanted, I suppose. You could even use another pillow. Probably be way easier. Now check this out. I have Fabric Fusion, and this is heat activated. It's freaking me out. I'm so excited. So you're going to put that on the edge, and then I don't know if you needed to, but I used a brush to kind of smooth it out. And then you're going to kind of put your 2 sides together, right? We're going to sandwich. Make sure that it's adhered together. It's not going to be stuck together, though. It's going to try to pull apart. So see how I kind of press my pillow down so it doesn't pull on those edges? Now I used, this is just a flour sack towel, and I'm putting my iron, which is on cotton high, no steam, and I'm going over it. The directions say to do it for 30 seconds and keep moving it so you don't burn the fabric. And then it says to flip it over and do the other side, which is what we're doing here. Now, I was living on the edge, and I'm like, let's just see. It didn't burn my fabric, so I just went over it with my little iron. And friends, are you kidding me? It worked. Listen, I am so excited about this because by doing that heat and bond tape, it's a big pain in the tush. But this, look at it, and I'm going to use it on my chair and my desk. I'm so excited. But look at how cute this is. So happy. And it's washable, just so you know. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you.